Hey guys, zpol turning back for another zpol unboxing, and today we're gonna check out actually a really interesting product because this is not a new product. This is actually a vintage Polaroid. So I got this actually from Japan when I went to Japan. And yeah, I haven't used any Polaroid before, let alone a really old one, a vintage one. So frankly, I haven't researched on this yet, but we're gonna take a look at it, of course, with our trusty unboxing knife. Of course, you want Polaroid for your unforgettable moments. If you maybe want to print stuff right away, so sort of like your Instax, of course. So the Instax is the latest really popular one nowadays, but this one is the OG, the classic Polaroid. And definitely, yeah, for me, for a collector, I do want to test out old stuff. And I'm also like an old camera film collector, so this will be a nice addition to my kit. Right, so this is what it's gonna look like. Of course, it's actually a plastic kind of design. Actually, I got this for really cheap. I think just 1,000 pesos, or around $20. So really, nice price for an old lady like this one. So this is what you're gonna get. Plastic in build. You have that button at the side, and actually, in terms of the overall quality, it did age really well. I don't know, it sort of looks like new, to be honest. So definitely, yes, for if you're gonna shop at thrift stores or secondhand stores in Japan, it's definitely highly recommended because Japanese really take care of their stuff. All right, so all plastic in design. So here you have, of course, your lens. Actually, you have your viewfinder actually here at this side, and of course you get lighten, normal, and darken for your exposure. You get ready, and I'm not sure what this part is. And of course, at the other side, you do get your holder, which is cool. This is how it's gonna look like, and very stable also. This is actually the Spectra E. It does take in Spectra E films also. So I don't have a Spectra E film yet because I need to get it from Amazon, or yeah, it's tougher to get, especially for an old model like this. Right, of course, yeah, you do get that button here at this side. It actually looks like an arcade kind of button. At the underside, you get made in UK, and you get a tripod mount, really cool. And of course, the magic here is this is actually a portable Polaroid, so you need to pop this in. So this is the switch, and there you go. You get that lens goodness. And of course, yes, the hidden lens is actually really cool because you can store this in your bag and the lens won't get dirty. So that's something that you like, of course. So you get that lens, and you do get that flash, and the viewfinder right here as well. So frankly, in here on this side, I'm not really 100% sure what that is, but usually that's maybe a focus window. In here at this side, maybe this an exposure window as well. So I'm not really sure about this side as well. So yeah, this powerless, batteryless Polaroid. So you're getting a vintage goodness with your Polaroid. This is manual everything. There's no batteries here, so you get actually that's why it's still working right now, because it's all manual everything. So that's the advantage of film stuff in general. So this is where your film is gonna go, of course. And here at the underside, of course, you're getting the place to put in your Polaroid. Yeah, maybe this one, there you go. So this is where you're gonna put, you have a switch here, and you open up your Polaroid, and you're gonna place your film in. Actually, this is quite expensive in terms of the film. It's around $50 for around 10 shots, so it's around 150 pesos, or around $3 or $4 per shot. So definitely you're paying a premium for your Polaroid goodness. But the Polaroid is really cool because it will last you the test of time. I have my friends Polaroids before. It was already like 10 years to 20 years. It's still alive. Definitely that's what you're paying for. And of course, the nostalgia, the look. So actually, yeah, for $20 or 1,000 pesos, this is, I would say, really worth the price that I paid for it. Definitely, yes, if you're gonna look for thrift stores, Japan is really a great place to start because there's a lot of really cheap stuff there. And as you can see, guys, it's good quality as well. So really cool. So actually, let's try to have a look here. This is what you're gonna get, of course. Yeah, it's very hard to look at that, but actually, yeah, the build quality is pretty good. And also metal, actually rubber here at the side. So yeah, that is our look for the Polaroid Spectra E. Really cool product. And yeah, let me know down below, guys, if you are also a collector of vintage products in general. What are you collecting? What Polaroids do you have? Are you using a Polaroid as well? Let me know down in the comments below. And of course, subscribe for more content like this. We unbox everything that comes through the lab. If you're into that, me just having fun, consider subscribing. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.